Hi everybody, Peter Chronopoulos here with Really Virtual. Today I'm going to show you how to start using the REAL-Forklift virtual reality simulator. So I'm sharing my screen. All you do is go to the Oculus app, open that up, and you're going to go to Library, click on that, and then you're going to see our program right there, REAL-Forklift. So you click on that. As the program is loading, every operator or user is going to create their own unique user ID and PIN. That way you'll be able to have a training record attached to that specific user. So this menu pops up, and all we're going to do is hover over the Create tab. Once you click on that, it's going to ask you for your first name, last name, create username, create a 4 to 8 digit PIN. Please don't forget it. And then we click Submit. Since I've already done that, I've already created my username. I'll go ahead and type it in. Once the green checks come up, that means I've been verified, and I just go to the Submit tab and click that. Now I'm connected. As you can see, my operator name is up there on the left-hand corner. And then once that is done, I will click Start Training, and that's it. So once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and put on my Oculus Rift headset. You're going to go through a calibration. Basically is to match virtual reality with the real world to make sure everything looks and feels properly. So you're going to be listening to Neo, your virtual trainer. He's going to guide you along the way. It's very easy. Just follow directions, and you'll have no issue completing calibration.
To get started, we want to be sure your headset is properly fitted. Adjust your headset as you were instructed to make the text as sharp and clear as possible. Once you have finished fitting your headset, just say "I'm ready," or press and hold down the gas pedal for 1 second.
I'm ready.
Let's get started. Now, we need to calibrate virtual reality with the real world. It is easy. First, put your hands in the 9 and 3 o'clock positions of the steering wheel. You can't actually see the real steering wheel, so you will need to feel for it. While you do this, make sure you are looking at your hands. If one of your hands disappear, that means I have lost sight of it, and you will need to lift your hands up in front of your face and wiggle your fingers. Once both hands appear, place them back on the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions. In the future you can say skip, or press and hold down the gas pedal for 1 second while I am guiding you through calibration, and I will stop speaking for that step. Great. Now adjust your hand position until the virtual steering wheel is properly calibrated. When it is good, say "Hands set," or press and hold down the gas pedal for 1 second, and we'll go to the next step.
Hand set.
Put the palm of your right palm on the forward reverse stick, and the controller will align with your hand. Adjust your hand until what you see matches what you feel. When the controller is properly aligned, say "Hand set," or press and hold down the gas pedal for 1 second.
Hand set.
Please verify that everything is properly aligned for you. If so, say calibration complete, or press and hold down the gas pedal for 1 second. If you need to recalibrate, just say start over.
Calibration complete.
Excellent. Ricky Bobby. Calibration complete. Stay frosty.
So we just completed calibration, and we are in the warehouse right now. So in order to start training, you can do it a couple of ways. You can ask Neo. If you look at the heads-up display, Neo is waiting there for your voice response, or you can press a button on the steering wheel. It's the D-pad up to get into the training menu, so you can start your training. Hey Neo.
Hey, Ricky Bobby, how may I help you?
Start training.
Say ready or start to begin lesson 101.
Ready.
Lesson 101. In this lesson we will learn the purpose and location of the lift truck's main components and controls.
Stop training.
This lesson is
Closing training menu.
And that's pretty much it. So once you've completed your training, you'll be able to unlock the multiple free roaming environments, but you do have to complete all your training first.